Alright, here we go. Excel Chapter 1 Training. Clear the contents of cell 3 horizontally. Cell C3. So I'll center the contents. Duh. Center the contents horizontally. Hmm. Well, how do you want it done? Oh, duh. Wrong one. No wonder I wasn't doing it. Here we go. Alright. Apply the bad style to cell B8. Bad style. Oh, bad. Okay. Apply the accounting number format using the $sign and 2 decimal places to cell C4 to C15. C4 to C15. Accounting. Accounting.
Master, I have mail for you.
C4 to C15. Oh. Helps if you actually do the correct cells. Accounting. There we go. Apply the comma style format to arrange C4 to cell C15. Bold the text in A2. Use AutoFit to adjust the width of column D, so all contents in column D. Alright, let's see here. Apply. Change the color of the font in cell B9. D9 to standard colors. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. It says select standard column section, column number 8. D9. Okay. Change the font of cell A2 to Cambia A2. Change the size of the font in cell A2 to 11 points. Without using parentheses, enter formula in cell G4. G4 that determines the projected 2021 salary less health care for the employee by taking the value in cell C4 and adding the product to cell. Oh, that's confusing. So we're going to go equals value in cell C4 okay C4 times E4 minus F4. Without using parentheses. So okay, how do they want it done? Okay, I get it. Alright, equal Alright, I'll have to come back to that one. Alright, apply. Wait a minute. Back. Equals. Still not working. Alright. In cell B16, it would be this one, the B16. Create a formula using the sum function. Seriously? There we go. Merge and center the contents of A2 to D2. Okay. Move the stack column sheet and cells forecast worksheet to cell D4 on the category cells worksheet. Move the stack column chart in the sales forecast worksheet to cell F1 on the category cells worksheet. In cell B7, enter a formula using relative cell references that subtracts cell B6 from B5. Equals B5 minus B6. Use the fill handle to copy the formula in cell B7 to cell Z7 to C7. Okay, B7. Insert a 3D pie chart into the worksheet based on range A4 to B7. Let's see, A4 to B7. We're going to go to insert. Let's see here, 3D pie chart. And move the stack column chart to a chart sheet. It wants it to go to a new chart, I guess. Alright. Enter the number 2100 in cell B12. B12. Okay, now back to 1021. I want a G4. There it is. Okay, C4 plus C4 times E5 minus F5, F4. Got it. Hit OK. And that is Excel training number 1.